fertilizer kit down there doing some home feed. After that 365 208.
Yeah, dude. 65. If you cut to Annie Whiteley's previous run, which was a 67 at 212, so that thing's 4 mile an hour down. I think it was eating itself up as it went through the finish line, so that arguably would have been an even, you know, lower 60 than that. The safety crews down there after him for sure, but man, that thing looked like it was eating up some pistons, and then there was a lot more smoke than that, so maybe a connecting rod or two decided to exit the party. I'm not sure. You know, I gotta say, if you don't talk to them right in the rack before you put the rods and pistons in it, then you might, you know, not. Oh, they got him slid to a stop down there.
Yeah, he did. They're trying to get the body up so he can get out right now. But I mean, the car's up on all fours.
Oh yeah, it's not on fire or anything.
No emergency look unless. Yeah, he hit the wall. Yeah, it does. Looks like he might have slid it out.
Looks like he might have gotten into the wall with the right front or something. I don't know. Yeah.
I mean, the thing was heating itself up, so maybe some oil got out under it. It's hard to say, like you said, Chad. You got to go down and talk to him, right?
Yeah, the car is all together, so I mean, he didn't crash it bad, but they are wiggling it around.
You can't get the front latch going.
Yeah, and we got Jimmy down there pulling on it and what have you.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.